A and B are integers. 2 to the A plus 2 to the B equal to 640. We want to find A and B. So, first case, because they are integers, and negative integers are bad. So at first, let's consider A and B are positive, and let's solve for this case. So I say 2 to the A plus 2 to the B equal to 640. I divide both sides by 2, by 4. Let's see, I can divide by what? You have 640. If I prime factorize this, let me show you a quick way. 64 times 10 is 2 times 5. 64 is 2 to the 6. 2 is 2, 1. So it will be 2 to the 7 times 5. And now, I can divide both sides by 2 to the 7. By power rule, I know that a to the m over a to the n equal to a to the m minus. If you would divide by 2 to the 7, it will be 2a over 2 to the 7 plus 2 to the b over 2 to the 7 equal to 640 over 2 to the 7, which is 5. Now, by applying this rule, we can say first term will be 2 to the a minus 7. The second term, 2 to the b minus 7 equal to 5. I think we can do a better way. Let's erase this part. I don't want to consider cases now. I say, let's consider a minus 7 be x, b minus 7 be y. So because a and b are integers, x and y are integers also. So 2 to the x plus 2 to the y equal to what? 5. One answer, obviously x2, y1, x2, y0. And a will be 9, b will be 7. But I want to analyze. I don't want to ignore any answer. So let's try. 2 to the x plus 2 to the y equal to 5. 5 is so much better than working with 640. And x and y also are integers. And we want to find x and y. So case 1, suppose x and y are positive numbers. So we have 2 to the 1, 2 to the 2, 2 cubed. All of them are even. 2 to the x plus 2 to the y when you consider, it will be 5. It is even number. It is even number. Some of them should be even. 5 is not even. Impossible. If one of them be 0, x or y, without loss of generality, suppose x is 0. 2 to the 0 plus 2 to the y equal to 5. 2 to the 0 is 1. 2 to the y equal to 5. We subtract 1 from both sides. So 2 to the y equal to 4, which is 2 squared. So y equal to 2. So x0, y2, and if you want to find AB, A is from here. A is 7 plus x. If you take negative 7 to right hand side, B also will be 7 plus y. So from this case, AB, 7 plus x, 7, 7 plus y, 7 plus 2, 9. Because of this y and this x. Also, you can reverse because we said without loss of generality. So we've considered one of them 0. Third case. One of them 0, one of them negative, one of them positive. Without loss of generality. Suppose x is positive, y is negative. So, because y is negative number, we know 2 to the x is integer, because x is positive. Because y is negative, 2 to the y is not integer. But, we know 2 to the x plus 2 to the y equal to 5. It is integer. Also, 5 is integer. 2 to the y has to be integer. It cannot be non-integer number. So, contradiction. Impossible. Let's consider fourth case. When all of them, x and y, both of them negative. X and y, negative numbers. So, 2 to the x will be at most 2 to the negative 1 will be at most 1 half. And similarly for 2 to the y, you can say so. 2 to the x plus 2 to the y less than or equal 1 half plus 1 half equal to 1. But we know 2 to the x plus 2 to the y equal to y. So again, impossible. So our only answer are 7, 9, and 9 and 7. Okay, let me write a homework for you. Our homework is this. 2 to the a minus 2 to the b, or let me write a better number. 2 to the a plus 2 to the b plus 2 to the c equal to 1600, and a, b, c are integers. Try to solve this and comment your answers right below this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. If you had question, you can send message to my WhatsApp number in the comments and description. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on notification, and like the video. Thanks. Bye bye.